Every spoon of white sugar begins here, with freshly harvested sugarcane arriving at a giant factory.
Inside this massive factory, every stalk will pass through dozens of machines to become pure white sugar. The journey begins with inspection, because only healthy sugarcane can produce high-quality sugar. Factory workers collect samples to check freshness, fiber quality, and the overall sugar content. Only approved batches continue into the production line to ensure the final product's purity.
Every truck is weighed to record the exact amount of sugarcane entering the factory yard. Each shipment receives a production code for complete traceability from field to the table. The trucks unload thousands of kilograms of sugarcane onto massive, vibrating steel receiving tables. Heavy-duty conveyors transport the raw sugarcane toward the primary preparation and cleaning line. The chopped cane continues automatically, moving swiftly toward the heavy shredding and fiber section. Before extracting any juice, the cane must be shredded into very small, loose fibers. Prepared cane fibers move continuously toward the massive rollers of the main crushing mills. Fresh cane juice is collected immediately before moving to the complex purification and cleaning process. The remaining dry fiber, called bagasse, is recycled as fuel for the factory's massive boilers. Raw juice enters the clarification stage, where lime is added to neutralize its acidity. The juice is heated to extreme temperatures to kill bacteria and aid in purification. Impurities settle at the bottom of the tank, leaving behind a clear, clean juice. Workers monitor the clarity of the juice constantly to ensure perfect results every time. Clarified juice now enters the evaporators to remove the majority of its water content. By using multiple stages, the factory saves energy while concentrating the sweet liquid. The juice thickens into a golden syrup as the water is boiled away rapidly. The technician ensures the syrup has reached the perfect concentration before moving to crystallization. This concentrated syrup is the pure essence of the sugarcane, ready for the pans.
Inside vacuum pans, the syrup is boiled under low pressure to begin crystallization. Microscopic sugar crystals are added to act as seeds for the larger crystals to grow. As the syrup boils, sugar molecules attach to the seeds, forming solid crystals. The mixture, known as massacrite, must be kept in motion to grow uniform crystals. Workers check the size and shape of the crystals to ensure the highest quality. The massacrite is temporarily stored and cooled to further encourage crystal growth. High-speed centrifuges spin the mixture at thousands of rotations per minute. The force separates the liquid molasses from the solid, white sugar crystals.
A brief wash with hot water removes any remaining film of dark syrup. The clean, wet sugar is now ready to be dried and finished.
This wet sugar still contains moisture that must be removed for long-term storage. The sugar enters a rotary dryer, where hot air removes the final moisture. Constant movement ensures that every single crystal is dried perfectly and evenly. Cooling the sugar prevents it from clumping together during the packaging process.
The dried sugar is lifted to the top of the factory for final grading.
Vibrating screens sort the sugar into different grades based on the crystal size.
This sorting ensures that the sugar meets the specific needs of various customers. A final quality check ensures the sugar is 99% pure sucrose.
The finished white sugar is stored in huge silos, ready for automated packaging.
Packaging begins as the sugar flows from the silos into the filling machines. Robotic systems handle the bags with incredible speed and precision for maximum efficiency.
Each bag is weighed with milligram accuracy to ensure the correct amount.
The bags are heat-sealed to preserve freshness and protect against any moisture. Every bag is marked with a batch code for complete tracking after delivery. Finished bags are packed into boxes for bulk shipping to supermarkets and stores. The pallets are automatically stacked, ready for the warehouse and final transportation.
Stretch wrapping protects the products during their journey across the country or world.
Forklifts transport the finished pallets to the loading docks for immediate shipment.
Trucks are loaded around the clock to meet the high demand for sugar.
Once loaded, the trucks are sealed and ready to depart the factory gate.
From this factory, the sugar travels thousands of miles to reach your kitchen.
You can find the result of this massive industrial effort in every store.
It looks simple, but the process to create this purity is truly remarkable. Pure white sugar adds sweetness to our lives, from coffee to baking treats.
The factory also generates its own power, making the entire process highly sustainable. Even the water extracted from the sugarcane is cleaned and reused in the mill.
Advanced technology allows for precise control over every single stage of production.
Efficiency is maximized through real-time data and automated industrial monitoring systems. Dedicated teams work day and night to ensure the factory operates at peak performance.
As the sun sets, the factory continues its mission to provide pure sugar.
The production never stops, processing thousands of tons of sugarcane every single day. From a simple plant to a pure crystal, the transformation is truly an engineering marvel.
Thank you for joining us on this sweet journey through the heart of sugar production.